Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS all new Zenbook 14 OLED. So friend, ASUS announced the all new Zenbook 14 OLED, a premium ultra portable laptop. And friend, the sleek Zenbook 14 OLED is the ultimate Intel Evo Edition ultra portable laptop that takes sophistication to a whole new level, and you can seize every moment using that enhanced extended life 75-hour battery, amplify their efficiency with up to the top tier Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and Intel R graphics, and achieve seamless connectivity via all essential I/O ports including Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, HDMI 2.1, and 3.5 audio jack. And immersive audiovisual experience is provided by Mimit 3 ki ASUS Lumina OLED 120Hz touchscreen, and powerful new user-friendly design incorporate convenient face login and FHD IR camera with a physical shutter for privacy, new quiet ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, and the new design offers improved sustainability with the extensive use of recycled material for the laptop and its packaging, and US military-grade durability testing, maximizing the device service life. And friend, ultra-compact form factor include a comprehensive set of full-size, high-speed I/O port including two Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type E port, HDMI 2.1 TMDS, and convenient 3.5 audio jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.